Oh. Oh my, what the fuck is this?
How did we both random our own decks?
That's actually really bizarre.
That's so nuts.
I don't even know what to say. I really don't know what to say.
Yeah.
What's going on, PDH pals? This is the just Drixiss and Archonmage in the studio, alone, waiting on some pals to show up. And you know, we're sitting here, we're thinking to ourselves, you know, why don't we just do 1v1? You know, we got a randomizer set up.
We don't ever do 1v1.
We never do 1v1s. So hey, let's hit the randomizer, see what we get, and get this. Okay, first off, I got Zada. Not only is that like one of our most competitive decks, I would say, but also it's the deck I built, so that's funny. And then I roll it again. Jeremy gets Bears Companion. His zoo aggro.
Yeah, my aggro deck. I might be able to get there in time
so you
before.
might actually, you know, if you can kill him once or twice.
Fucking.
Yeah, you're gonna lose. We'll see.
Creature you can roll. That's.
So we're gonna play either until this is over or until they show up. We'll see what happens.
I mean, this will probably be pretty quick.
And I'm gonna just record this for posterity in case it's actually interesting.
Pause that, please.
Oh yeah, let me pause that. That is really jarring to look at. So yeah, who knows what's gonna happen here, but I'll just say if this somehow ends up on YouTube, check us out live next time, okay? Twitch.tv/PDHpals. Tuesdays, Sundays, 7 p.m. Eastern.
Yeah.
Tune in live, catch this crap happen. I think you really enjoy it. So we're just shuffling up here. Let me go ahead and switch the view here.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go. Yeah, there you go. The 68 is still visible. That's
that's me. It's Bear.
You can see it on there, yep.
68.
Yep. So here's the cut. Just real quick, you know, I guess I'll say, hey, this is Zada. One of the best options for PDH available to you, I'd say, especially when it comes to mono red. Whenever she gets targeted with an instant or sorcery, it gets copied for all your other creatures. So you cast all those shitty spells that say draw a card, like cantrips, they become draw 9,
1, 2, 3,
draw 25, you know how many fucking creatures you have. But yeah, that's the idea. And Jeremy, what is Bear's Companion?
Bear's Companion.
It's a lot of things.
Is a lot of things for sure.
Yes.
It's a 3-color zoo aggro deck. Yep.
That's really all you need to know, honestly.
Yeah.
It's little guys getting in there. Animal theme. Very good. So there's Zada, and there's your Bears. And all right.
Hold the fucking phone.
How about you mulligan if you want, but let's call it even or odd.
Evens.
This is a bad sign for you.
I'm keeping.
All right, I'll keep
two. So bad.
I will not draw.
Okay.
Because it's 1v1.
So yeah.
I'm just gonna start this off strong. Take one.
Oh my.
What
the fuck is that? Okay. Well, it's about to get real bad because I'm gonna play this forest and I'm gonna sack it.
Oh no! Oh, I was hoping it would at least be Scythe Tiger.
Nope, it's Humphrey. Where's Humphrey?
Where is Humphrey? Where are you? Finish up your little Easter.
Woo!
Ooh. Humphrey's entered the building.
Humphrey, turn 1, pass the turn.
Turn 1, Humphrey.
Where'd all my lands go?
How about a turn 2, Thoughty?
Oh my god.
Go ahead.
Ooh, okay. Forest.
Okay, you got another one.
Yeah, I did. I wish.
That'd be amazing. Okay.
What?
1v1. True rules for 1v1 is 30 life.
30 life?
Let's do it.
Sure.
I'm just a thought.
Yeah. Take 3.
Oh, shit. What am I doing?
And then I'll play a Sedge Scorpion.
Oh my god. How am I gonna get it now?
Yeah.
Bob. Cheap. Mountain, yeah. Kind of wish I had some creatures, but I'll just cast Zada. Go ahead.
Okay. Got 3/3?
Yep. Sand actually doesn't do much.
That's basic.
Basic
land cycle.
Basic run circle.
Montagna.
It's a card from my deck, whatever. Mundan.
Mountain for turn.
Yes.
And then let's just go ahead and Give Humphrey a dragon mantle.
Ooh, Humphrey's looking scary.
Yeah, bucket 3.
I'll take it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Howdy. Is that in a little Easter basket?
Oh my god, that's incredible.
Oh my god, these are too good. I love it. Okay. Let's start off. I'm gonna magma jet that.
Wow.
I need to find some real shit to do. This is not it. Damn. I haven't drawn a single creature. Or even like token generator.
Yeah.
Doesn't feel good. Felwar Stone.
Oh.
Taps for red, thanks a lot.
Oh, you're welcome.
And then swing for 3.
Damn. 1, 2. Oh, nope.
I don't know how commander damage works.
I mean, it should be 16.
I think it's 16.
If we're playing 30 life, it's 16.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay.
Look at that. One of each. Ooh, doesn't untap?
Yeah, take 3.
Ooh. Comboing me off here.
Yeah.
Well, it's a creature.
Fucking hell.
It's a big one, too.
It's a big one.
You can get around that. Go ahead. Those bunny ears. That stinky, stinky bunny.
Forest. Yeah. We'll go with the Violent Outburst.
Ooh.
Oh.
Oh. Eric, Fred, are you there? Do you like squirrels?
You guys like squirrels?
Let us know.
Squirrels.
We got a squirrel dealer.
Yeah, so 3/2 and 4/3. Okay. Yeah. Fuck it. 3/2 and
This
4/3.
is just when it's casted.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll block
There.
and take 4.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's
Take your
pretty
4.
good. I mean, I think you're gonna win. I go.
Yeah.
I'll find if you have a squirrel soon. I hope. I'd say you just take it.
Okay. Where's my good squirrel? There it is. I mean, it's Easter Sunday. Yeah, of course I get a squirrel token.
Yeah, it's only fair. He is risen. Ah, Jesus. Okay, I'm going to
All right. Okay. Wow.
Rolling Thunder.
How much?
2, 1, 1, 4.
Okay. Yeah.
Wipe that board
Yeah.
and swing for 3.
Yeah.
Bad enough, buddy. Go ahead. How many cards in?
2.
Gosh.
Oof.
Ooh.
And Garuk's companion.
Oh, fuck. Keeps coming.
Yeah. Take 3.
Yeah. I don't know, man.
I know. I got 1 card left.
Uh,
I need a land and then a bear, I guess. But
Yeah.
yeah.
My God, it's not gonna get me there.
Oof.
This is a competitive deck, huh?
I'm
Starting to wonder. 3, 2, and a 1, 1.
Yeah.
Hexproof. No, trample.
Flying. Yeah, this is trample.
I thought that was the hexproof guy.
Nah.
God, he's drunk.
Yeah.
Jesus, this hand sucks.
Mhm.
I'll swing. Got him. Sure. 2 cards in hand.
Yep.
Go ahead.
Okay. Well, yeah. I guess I'll go to combat.
Yeah. 6?
6.
Jesus.
And then I'll play the bear.
Yep. Bears and bears. Okay, Michael.
Yeah.
Oh. So bad.
Yeah.
Fireball. 4.
Sure. Jesus, you drew 2
Red Elemental
fireballs.
Blast.
Oh my god. Why didn't you counter it?
I just drew it.
Oh,
Yeah.
Dang.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm open.
Me too.
Yeah, you're at 8.
Oh, wait. Go ahead.
Okay. Oh.
Oh no.
Oh, that's a card. Okay. Yeah. So band together
What? Oh no.
and kill Zada. I'll do 6 damage to it.
Okay. In response, I'll otherworldly outburst him.
Okay.
When he dies this turn, I get a 3/2.
Okay.
I don't think I have one handy here, but
Yeah.
whatever.
And then Commander Sphere. Is it 3/2?
Yep.
I mean, yeah. Fuck it.
Bring it in.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll block.
There.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not trampled, is it?
No. No.
Yeah, I'll just take the 3.
Yeah, you take the 3 and then you just trade.
Mm-hmm.
Bro,
Down to 5.
that Humphrey
Yeah, really. That Humphrey did
doing
some work.
some work. Pass.
You got plenty of mana too, so it doesn't really matter.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I guess that's not bad.
I mean, you've had nothing
You
but
have 0
removal.
cards in hand?
I'm all out.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, I have the Commander Sphere to draw, but I'm all out.
Okay.
Jesus. Your hand has been nothing but removal.
Yeah, I don't even run that much.
It's like
that's literally all
actually,
of
it's
it.
like actually relevant against me.
Yeah.
But I mean, if you had creatures, I don't know.
Yeah, if I had creatures, I would have otherworldly outbursted them and
Yeah.
maybe killed you. I don't know.
Yeah.
So I haven't drawn any draw either. I don't know. It's
Right.
been a weird draw for me.
Yeah, it's been a weird game. I've been, I don't know, just plopping down like I do.
Well, fireball,
Jesus.
2
fucking
targets,
Christ.
4 damage.
Okay.
So I'll do 2 to you and 2 to this.
Okay.
Go.
Oh, you've drawn 3 fireballs? What the fuck,
Yeah.
John?
I didn't even know I ran all of them in this deck.
What a top deck.
Let's see it. Oh my, you gotta be shitting me. This deck's just better than
Oh
mine.
my god, that's incredible. Oh,
Treasure Cruise
God.
off the top?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever. There's no recursion. That was something else. Okay.
I have to mess with this deck. Definitely not as good as it could be.
And for turn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'd much rather just play the cards in my hands. Oh, Fin Raptor.
Oh, it's a start.
Yeah. And then fuck it.
2 delves off the top?
Yeah. I have the mana to hard cast it, but
Oh, you're
like,
not even gonna delve.
yeah, why bother?
I guess so.
Pass.
Jesus Christ. And next turn you can double trigger this with bear.
Yeah.
That's so fucked.
Yeah.
That's a bad card. There he is.
Okay.
I mean, I didn't even know, like, I have to block.
Right. I mean, so this is 1. This will go up to 3. Yeah,
Yeah, I don't even know if I can play Zada.
Yeah. So this is a 1/2, and this is a 4 forward trample. So,
So, okay, I mean, I can live, I guess, because I can block and I can go to 1.
Yeah,
Because
1.
that'll be
2,
3.
yeah, 3.
4.
Right, yeah. So
If
it's
you-
4 total. It's yeah. I got 2 draws at it.
So yeah, I'm just gonna Blood. That has to attack. Draw a card. Oh, land drop. Very cool. Yeah, I think you win.
Wow.
All right, this is best 2 out of 3.
Okay. Okay.
All right, he takes game 1. I'm gonna sideboard.
I mean, ripping the treasure cruise was
That
nuts.
was nasty. I'll sideboard in the card that I accidentally left off to the side here.
Ooh.
Wouldn't mind drawing
Then
it.
the Explorer Scope would have hit.
Oh my god. Top deck Jeremy. This isn't fair.
What
Really
the
not.
fuck?
That was fucked.
Yeah. How you drew 3?
Huh?
You drew 3 out of the 5 fireballs.
That's really weird.
What are you
They're not even that
doing?
good in this
I
deck.
know. You just do it for like 1 on Zada. And that's not even good.
No,
That's
no,
like-
no. It's for when I draw like 10 cards and I
Right.
get Ashnod's Altar, and
Right.
then I like sack all my shit and like blow someone out,
Yeah.
or just draw Mana Geyser. You know, like
Right.
it's not for any other reason.
Yeah.
I rarely use fireballs as just like general removal,
Right.
but in 1v1,
Right.
makes
You
more
rolling
sense.
thunder, kill 3 creatures? Yeah, sure. Fuck it.
seems good. 3 for 1
Yeah.
when there aren't 2 other players.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
This time for sure. Give me a real hand.
Yeah. I mean, Humphrey got in there for like 12.
That was
Yeah.
like super good.
Yeah.
I mean, a 3/3 on turn 1.
Right.
I don't know. It's not that bad.
It's super. It's good in this format.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, I mean, sure, that kind of gets spread out amongst people, but it's just like 1 mana, deal 12. I think I'm going to run it. Sure, you got to sack the forest.
Yeah.
Exactly. But I don't know.
Whatever.
I drew a good.
You had
I
like
drew
more
well.
mana than you needed.
Yeah, I drew well. Because, yeah, and if that happens, I just play Bear's Companion, because
Right.
he's probably just going to die.
hmm
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I assume you're going first.
I'll go first. And I'll keep.
I can't keep that garbage.
Well, I guess you still get a free mulligan. Like,
Oh,
I think in
Commander?
Commander, you
Jesus.
still get a free mulligan no matter what. Obviously.
I don't think so. Sounded like it, but I don't think so. Because these are like brand new.
This hand's weird too.
Well, yeah, because you want different hands in 1v1.
True.
I mean, this was a 1-lander. Like, I just couldn't do it. The last one was a 2-lander, but it was basically sacking a land.
Yeah. I mean, I
Right.
kept a 2-lander as well, but I had
Yeah.
Thought Vessel.
Yeah, yeah,
So I figured top 3 cards just need 1 land.
yeah.
Which, you know, is what everybody says when they keep a 2-lander.
Right.
Alright. First one's free. Alright, good.
Yeah.
Kaboom. Go ahead.
Oh, wow. Much slower,
Yeah. 3-3.
for real.
Yeah, go ahead.
Fuck me.
Lushatology. Hey man, how's it
Yo,
going?
yo, yo.
Doing a little 1v1 before
Yeah.
the rest of the pals show up.
Yeah. Pass.
Alright. Ugh. Whatever. Zada, go ahead. I don't wonder if I run any creatures.
This is pathetic.
I'm waiting.
I'm not running any creatures either.
Yeah, Jesus.
Fuck it. I'm gonna crash through.
Did you get there?
I'm gonna slowly get there, pass.
Oh my
Into the lonely sandbar.
Going on the fucking mana damage route. Take 3.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Jesus.
I don't know, it was at 31. Um, 4 mana. Yeah. All familiar.
Game is way different.
Draw and then discard. Fuck you.
Whoa. Fair enough. There I go.
Hold the phone.
Crimson Water, what's up, man?
Keep cycling.
Haven't seen you in a while.
We'll play that good old
Yeah,
Dragon Mantle again.
Oh my god, you drew it again?
Yep. You went first.
Yup. Yup. Right to me. Can I go? Yeah. Mutate's pretty wacky, Crimson.
Yeah.
I'm really curious to see how it's going to affect PDH in particular.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! What up?
Thought Vessel again?
Yeah.
I don't know. This is weird.
Yeah, it is. Just a 1/1.
Yeah.
Magma Jet.
1.
Wow.
Actually, you know what? Get to your face too. I keep just drawing fireballs. I don't even want to. 3. Go ahead. You need comical turrets. I mean, I don't know if they'll necessarily be expensive. Depends on which one you want, I guess. We're just playing PDH, so, you know, uncommons shouldn't be that bad.
Well.
Oh my god.
5 in the grave.
Oh, just perfect timing.
Yeah. I think 2 4/4 tramples is good.
Kept that fucking removal.
Yeah.
Greedy.
Comic Ultra Arts.
Yeah.
Oh, EDH. Oof. Big yikes.
Swing.
3. Oh my god, John. How many cards do you have? 3? Fucking show me the loot.
Guess I'll go all out.
Okay.
I'll give him +3, +1, and scry 1.
Okay.
Use the bot. Then give him +3, +1, and trample.
Oh, okay.
So it's 9 trample, and he's a 5 butt.
So oh, this pumps?
Yeah, +3, +1 each.
So take 5.
Yeah, you take 5, not dice.
Okay.
Go ahead.
1 card in hand? Oh, that's commander damage.
Yep.
11.
Ooh. That's closer than it normally is.
Yep.
Oh yeah, it's probably not going to do anything really for Pauper. For PDH, there are some new Mutate commanders that look pretty sweet. I don't know. They got too many formats to keep track of right now.
Yes.
Pass, man. Oh man. So embarrassing. Sorry.
Oh, you're just gonna scred my dude?
Yeah.
For how much?
7.
7? Is 4. I can't pump his toughness?
I'm sorry.
It's all not toughness?
Non-tough.
Well, I guess I'll start by drawing a card.
Makes sense. He's a 5/4.
Yeah.
Damn. Wait, you're not dead yet.
What?
This is 3.
Oh.
I don't even have a hand.
Okay.
So yeah, you should. We should play it out.
Sure.
So yeah, that dies, and I'll hit you for 3.
Okay.
So, one more hit from him kills you.
Yeah.
No, I'm done.
Yeah, hold on. I guess I'll then draw another. Just cycle.
Oh, sure.
Keep cycling. Okay. Did you take my life total down? Okay. Cave of Temptation.
Oh, that's so cool, man. Yeah, you can play bear, right?
Yeah. That sucks. These fucking lands, man.
They're rough.
Yeah. So you have no cards in your hand?
I'm done, man.
Okay. I think it's then better for me to play the Silverback Shaman.
That seems pretty good.
Yes.
Wing? Down on charge. Doesn't give him trample, but we trade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah. I'll weapon surge. Do a first strike.
Pretty good. Really good.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll just recast him. Go ahead.
Okay.
It's a hard task you got there.
That I think helps. And now
EDH is built to be expensive, I feel like. Well, it depends on what you want to do. I guess I should say it's easy to make it expensive.
Okay.
It's not hard to make it inexpensive.
Bear.
Yup. Done?
Take 5. Yes.
Oh my god, man. Oh, go ahead.
Oof.
If you want one of those, and you got it.
Yeah. Oh. Mindstone. Orcish Oriflame.
Oh my god.
God. Yeah. 5.
6.
6. Up 6.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Oh.
Go.
That's a good one.
Oh yeah.
Rancor?
Oh fuck. On that, okay.
Yeah. Actually, no. I need the trample's just good.
This is 13 damage.
13. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. About.
Ooh. Guess I'll take it.
No blocks.
Christ.
So what are you at?
I'm at 19.
19?
Yeah, whatever. I'll take it.
Well, I mean, flop.
Yep. That looks pretty good to me.
Yeah.
I feel like that was lethal even if I did block.
I don't know. So, I mean, so 6 or 7. 7 to 11. So this is, 22.
That's 22 damage and then 6 damage.
Which
so
is
22 plus 6 is 28.
28.
Minus 7 is 21.
And you
you already
okay.
had it.
Yeah, okay. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Finally, some creatures. I literally, like, I don't know.
Yeah,
like, look at my
creatures?
cards I drew.
Right.
Like, what is this?
Yeah.
Like, it's useless.
Yeah.
And so much mana.
Right. Damn.
It's so weird.
Oof.
Yeah, I mean, I have a lot of, like, token generation shit in here.
Mm-hmm.
Worthing Outburst, Dragon Fighter, Goblin Mage.
Yeah.
Whatever. That's pretty funny.
Dude, yeah. For an aggro deck,
Yeah,
this deck does a lot of damage.
I would say so.
So, yeah.
It's cool that it's like, there's no particular, like, combos or anything there. It's just...
You got all the combat tricks. I mean, this is top end.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, even this, like, drawing this is pretty good. Getting Hooting Mantrolls, you're getting Delve cards is pretty good. Like, I think the balance, the ratios, all of it is just in such a good spot that, fuck, man, some of these new cards that are like, you just have to put that in bear, and I'm like, oh boy.
Yeah,
I don't want to
screw it up.
I don't want to fuck with the the magic ratios that just seem to happen right now.
Yeah,
but some of the some of these cards are just like straight upgrades.
Yeah,
and I could do that. I can just straight upgrade stuff.
Right.
But yeah.
I think. Oh yeah, there's like the Brushwag. I don't even know if you want to run that. The 1/1 trample that can pump itself.
Oh. Well, so like Rogue Elephant needs to go.
Oh, come on.
It's just bad. It puts me so far behind. I don't know.
Oh man.
What is it?
Be another Brushwag.
Brushwag.
It looks so good.
Oh, attacks. Yeah, Jesus. So what is this?
It's just a 1/1 trample.
Yeah, that has to go in here.
Yeah. Hopefully companions don't make it too much harder. Yeah, companions are weird. I mean, luckily they don't matter for us because we're playing PDH, but yeah, it's such a weird mechanic. Well, I guess in case we actually want to upload that because it was kind of funny.
Sure.
Here, you get a Humphrey ride because it was a 1v1.
Hey.
Well, the 1v1 winner has beaten the PDH staple, competitive staple Zada. Quite handily. Didn't really have a chance even.
Well, you got me to 14.
But yeah, that's true. Yeah, by swinging with Zada, it's pretty bad. Yeah, I mean, I drew poorly, but he also tore through me quite quickly. I mean, I would have had to have a pretty ideal hand to win either of those games.
Yeah.
Well,
I mean, just like creatures at all would have been good.
Yeah, it would have been a start.
Like,
but yeah, that was
you
so
really
weird.
Draw many creatures. Like, there's another double strike effect, right?
Yeah.
That kind of has to go in here.
Oh god, I forgot they had another one. That's
and there's like there's another like deal damage or fight or something.
Yeah, no, there's a crazy fight. There's the fucking trample fight.
Yeah.
So messed up. It's incredible.
Yeah.
You can might the
I mean, Kurdape has to stay. The Sedge Scorpion, of course.
There's another one Death Touch animal. No.
Right. Oh yeah, that too.
Moss Viper. I just
right.
Well, if this ends up on YouTube, hope you enjoyed it. Once again, check us out live, twitch.tv/PDHPals. Tuesdays, Sundays, 7 p.m. Eastern. That's when you should show up. Hope to see you there. And this is Drixiss. Signing out.